How to select a ruby bracelet. Choosing whether to have accent diamonds on your ruby bracelet is truly a matter of style and taste. A ruby bracelet can look very nice with just rubies in a line style, or what is generally referred to as a tennis bracelet. A popular design is to have accent diamonds alternating between rubies in a line or tennis bracelet style. This type of ruby bracelet design lends elegance without being too flashy. How to use a ruby bracelet as a push present. The gift of jewelry makes a great push present. A ruby bracelet is great for a mother either delivering a July baby or who has ruby as their own birthstone. Every time mom looks at her beautiful ruby bracelet, she will think about the glorious day her child was born. How to clean your ruby bracelet. Cleaning a ruby bracelet is very simple and you can generally do it yourself. Start by creating a mixture of warm water and a few drops of mild dishwashing soap. Soak your ruby bracelet for about 10 to 15 minutes and gently brush the stone with a new soft-bristled toothbrush. Then rinse your ruby bracelet under warm running water to remove the soapy film. Gently dry the ruby bracelet. Shop SuperJeweler.com for a huge ruby bracelet selection at amazing prices.